Hello students, we have been learning notice writing. In that we have seen definition of notice, format of notice, value points in order to write a good notice. Also we have seen some of the topics. We have seen topics regarding notice of meeting, event, lost and found, appeal. Today we shall see notice in case of tours, camps and exhibitions. In this, the value points what you have to add is name and nature of the tour or exhibition, occasion, venue, date, objective information, entry fee, time duration. Let us see an example in order to understand it better and write it. RJ Public School is located in Central Government Employees Residential Colony. Cultural Society of the school has decided to organize a fancy dress show on 25th of January in which each participant will wear the dress particular to his or her region. The aim is to show the cultural diversity of India. As secretary, write a notice in about 50 words inviting the names of those who want to participate. So the school here is RJ Public School, the institution or school which is issuing this notice. And what is the date of the fancy dress show? It is 25th of January. So the date should be prior to 25th of January. So first you have to write RJ Public School, the name of the institute. No place is given over here. You can invent the place and you can write any place. Below that, of course, you know very well, you should write the word notice in block letters. Then the date, as it is 25th of January, anything, any date before 25th of January, maybe 10th January or whatever it is. Then the title or description of the subject. So what is the subject over here? Yes, fancy dress show. So it can be fancy dress show or fancy dress exhibition. So below that you should write, yes, the content. In content what you have to do? First of all you should write this is to inform and invite, because in the question they are also asking you to invite the names of those who want to participate. So it should be information and also invitation in order to participate. Participate in what? Fancy dress show. Along with that you should add, yes, the details like date, venue, time, what is the entry fee if at all anything is there, and any other details. And below that you should be ending with, yes, the name and designation. Here no name of the person who is writing notice is given, but the designation is given as secretary. So as cultural secretary you have to write this notice. So name can be written any name. Below that you should write the designation as cultural secretary. Let us see this answer now. RJ Public School, Pune. So name they have invented. Below that in block letters notice is written and it should be any date prior to 25th of January. So it's 28th of December. So the title is Fancy Dress Exhibition. And in content this is to inform and invite, because in question they have asked you to invite also. So this is to inform, as it is notice, it is an information which is given to, yes, which is given to students. So this is to inform and invite participation for a fancy dress show, highlighting the cultural diversity of India. The eager participants are to note the following and enroll with dress and cultural idea in detail. So the details are given. Venue is community center. So venue of the show or exhibition, and the date is January 25th. time 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. And what is the theme? India's cultural diversity. So here you should write what is the name or occasion. So it is, the theme is India's cultural diversity. So it seems a chief guest is also invited over there. His name is also given, Lieutenant Colonel S.S. Sandhu. So Lieutenant Colonel S.S. Sandhu is the chief guest, and the same information is given in the notice. Entry, so no fee at all for entry, and cultural secretary. The name written is Vinod Khaitan. So no name is given in question, you can write any name. But the designation should be written, don't forget to write. If any designation is given in question, in the answer you should be writing that particular designation only. Let us take another example. So you are Mrs. Shika Sharma, the Vice Principal of Santosh International School. Write a notice informing the students of 6th and 7th about a picnic to Delhi to be organized by the school exclusively for these classes. Write a notice to be put on the school notice board, giving in this information with all necessary details in about 50 words. So the school name they have given, Santosh International School. Place isn't given, so you can invent the place and write accordingly. Below that, notice in block letters, and the date, any date you can write because date is not mentioned here. And yes, and the title or description is, it's regarding the picnic. Okay. And in content, what you have to write? Yes, you should inform the students about this picnic, and this is specifically to students of 6th and 7th. So you should take care to write even this in the notice. And below that, it's written by the Vice Principal of the school, Mrs. Shika Sharma. So accordingly, you should close this. This question is homework to you. I hope you are doing your homework and also writing the notes. But till now, I have received the homeworks of notice writing along with the notes from only 2 students. I expect you to complete it by tomorrow so that we can go ahead with other topic.